Boil the chicken and enjoy this delicious recipe. For this recipe, we'll need a chicken breast. Place the chicken in boiling water for 10 minutes. Take it out of the pot and cut it into pieces. Just like I'm doing here. Set it aside for now. In a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything well. Add half a cup of all-purpose flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again. Now, add 5 ounces of cheese. Mix it in. Next, we're adding the chicken we set aside earlier. Give it a good mix. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish of your choice. Spread the chicken evenly. Now, place 4 slices of zucchini on top. And 4 strips of red bell pepper. To finish, add another 5 ounces of cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Look how delicious this turned out. Let's cut a piece. Super easy to make and packed with flavor. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video. Enjoy.